In this lesson, I want to explain convert selection in select menu. As I said before, if you select the polygon, for example, here, and then hold Ctrl and click on edge mode, all the edges that create that polygon will be selected. If you hold Ctrl and click on a point, the point that create that polygon or edges will be selected. You can go to select menu and convert selection. A window will be open and you can select and convert your selection. Use the current mode for this column, and for example, if I select that point here, and you can set it in the current, that means current selection, convert it to the what? For example, convert, I select a polygon and convert to the, for example, points. Convert, and it's do like before, and you control, on holding Ctrl and click one of them. But the benefit of this window is this tolerance. If you select, for example, a point here in the current mode, and if the tolerant inactive, when you convert it to the edge and hit convert, nothing happened because we have just one point. One edge include at least 2 points to create it. But if you going back to the point mode and select the tolerance and then convert, you can see that all the edges that are near that point, the contact that point, will be selected. This is tolerant. Or if you select the edge, tolerant will be turned off. Want to convert this edge to polygon selection, convert it, nothing happened. Because if you want to convert the edge to polygon, you have to at least 3 edges. In this case, 4 edges we need. But if you turn on the tolerant going back to the edge, if you convert, as you can see, the 2 edge near that, the 2 polygon near that edge will be selected. The polygon that contain that edge, it's common in 2 polygons. Okay, you can use the convert selection in this mode or holding Ctrl and click on other element to convert your selection. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release. Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.